Hey there, welcome to your Shopify SEO optimization full course in the live real life project. You can see that there is a good news. We make another sales. You see here our sales increasing. SEO is a ongoing slow process but very beneficial process because it help us to get customers for free without running any ad campaigns. So you see, this is the good news or good sign that our store making sales, and right now there are 7 customer in live. You see, if I click on here, you can see everything in live. Wow, you can see the live in here. Visitor right now 7. Here's the visitor right now 7, and total sales, order, everything you can see in here. Okay, this is just a good news, good sign that we are working everything perfectly, following the SEO checklist, also applying my own knowledge, experience, and everything that I gain for daily basis from the SEO industry, because SEO is improving day by day after coming AI. So let's jump into the main point. In the previous class, we have talked about that before go on the off page SEO. That's mean before bring traffic on our Shopify online store or run any ad campaigns, we have to make sure that our store is ready for ad campaigns. We have to set up everything that is required for our maximum conversion or ROI, that's mean return of investment. And from the first class we have started working on basic SEO. We done everything. I'm not going to talk about one by one to waste your time, so you know that we have done everything in here. Then we start working on the technical issue, especially on the search console and site optimization. In the last class, I have shared my 2 video playlist, one for how to speed up Shopify store and another for how to fix Google Search Console account issue of your Shopify online store pages. And I hope you have started to fixing your Shopify store speed optimization and Search Console pages issue one by one. And I'm making the video regular basis and I'm working on a live project, so that's why I cannot show you all the process one by one again. That will take too much time. Okay, so what we are going to do today, first of all, we want to make some preview that in the previous class we have add meta description in all the pages. Also we have added some information, relevant information in all the pages. And we have done another things, that is in last 2 tutorials we make content like shorts video content using our product category collection, make a realistic, like a realistic model, realistic product shorts video. That is also help us to rank our store or bring traffic to our store. Okay, so let's see what we can do in the next. And in the next or today we have to, as we have done all the pages on page SEO, today I want to check out our collection page condition that we must have to focus. So first we want to ensure that in all the collection page added the correct meta description. So we are going to check it. So you see there are multiple collection in our store, you can see that, and I'm going to check one by one. So first of all, let's open all the collection name one by one, then we can check. I'm going to open all the collection. Okay, I have opened all the collection. Now I am going to check one by one. So let's see what's happening in here. So as I open multiple tab in a one time, that's why I have to wait a little bit time to load it. Right now I am recording this video on my Windows computer, and here is my Mac. So in the MacBook, I normally take it to with me when I go to the office or back to the home. So maximum lightweight work I will do with my MacBook, and for heavyweight work like video recording, video editing, I do with my Windows. But of course, if all of you support me, then surely I'll make a huge workstation. Yes. Okay, so let's jump into the main topics. We are going to check out is our collection page have any meta description or not. You see there have a meta description, product title. Okay, as there have meta description, we are going to ignore it for now. Ignore it or lapse it. Then check another one. We have to wait a little bit time. Shop all. There are meta description available. You can see that the meta description is available, and also you have to make sure that you have added the images, relevant image for meta description for collection page for this specific collection. This is very important. Then go next, skip it or lapse it. Image available, but I think we must have to add more content in each collection page to rank it organically or make it more valuable on search result. We have to provide more information on this collection, and here the meta description available. Okay, then the smart product filter, don't delete it, skip it. It's relevant smart product filter apps. We are going to talk about the apps very soon. Okay, then this one, image available but content is very low. We have to add more content. Meta description available. Okay, then best seller, perfect, best seller, and skip it or close it. Okay, here the meta description is missing, so we have to add meta description in here. And you know how we can add meta description on our store. So I have already added a prompt. Here is the prompt, professional SEO meta. Let me show you. Professional SEO meta prompt, copy and paste. We can use this prompt. You see, we can use this prompt to write meta description for this collection. So simple process. Just let me know, do you need this prompt? Comment on the video, or you can connect with me by WhatsApp directly. So I'm going to chat GPT, or I can go to AI Copilot, this from Microsoft. So go to the Copilot and paste the prompt and simply title. We have to just reflect the product title, website, brand. Okay, text type collection, page type collection, then collection name. Here's the collection name. Then we have to share the link of this collection. View. Okay, looks good. Now it will write meta description for us, so click on here. Very simple process, everything automated. You can do this without any previous skill or experience. This is very easy right now to write meta description using AI. Okay, so I'm going to add meta description. Perfect. Also another things is that collection description is missing in here. That's why I'm going to ask write this collection page content also that focus on SEO. Okay, so we want to, here is the collection page. Okay, okay, we are going to add this content on this collection page. Perfect. Click on the save. So we have done. Okay, then close it, close this one, check another one. Perfect. Going to ignore because it has meta description. Also this one has meta description. Click on here, this one has meta description. So we are going to skip which has already meta description. Okay, okay, perfect. I'm just checking one by one. Yes, checking every pages. Okay, okay, okay. So we have done to add meta description on all of our collection page. Then we have to work on the each product page to add meta description, rewrite content, everything. And also we have to do another things, that is check out our product page if there are any essential element missing, because I have already published a video how to make a killer professional Shopify product page or single product page, and what's element you must have to keep on your product page. So if we check anything missing in here, then we have to add, also optimize our uh, each product to make it SEO friendly. Okay, so we're going to do everything one by one and step by step. So when our store fully ready for SEO and there will not be any issues, then we'll start working bring traffic from social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube or others platform. But we'll keep focus on mostly TikTok and video content creation like Instagram, and share contents in YouTube everywhere. But we keep focus on video content and keep focus on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, so that's all for now. But I want to share another things is that working manually for Shopify SEO or for Shopify store SEO, it's take too much time, and that's why you must to have app, because app help you do a lot of work in a quick time, a lot of things automatically, and it's help you to find out your store issue using AI intelligent and show you what you have to do and how you can do this. And if you go to the Shopify store or Shopify app store, so if you go to the Shopify app store, then you will find a lots of Shopify SEO app SEO. Then you will find a lots of SEO tools, but all are not are same quality full, and you have to use the best one. And This video or course is sponsored by SEO and let me show you SEOant.com. They have a lot of fully featured Shopify SEO tools or Shopify relevant apps, and here is their app. You see, SEO and trust base and icon, SEO and stick add to cart, SEO and 404 link redirect, lots of product in here. Also they provide solution and Shopify app available on Shopify app store. And this course or video fully sponsored by SEO and AI, SEO and AI blog post. Why they add AI blog post? Because if you just do SEO, on page SEO and technical SEO, you cannot bring traffic from Google. But if you want to bring traffic regularly, then you must have to focus on blog, and you must have to add a blog on your Shopify online store and post regularly. But it's totally require time every day to do work consistency or keep consistency. That's why you must have to use the AI power, and they have added the AI blog post. That's mean you can create blog post using AI and share it a lot of marketing channel like others platform, others website, listing site, social media, everywhere, and bring traffic. So this is one of the most important features of this app. I will share all the details about this app on the upcoming tutorials or class, and I'll show you everything what you can do this. But right now I just want to show you one important things, that is they have already gained 1300 plus review, and all the overall review very positive. And they have free plan, they have pro plan and premium plan, and they mostly focus on the site speed and AI blog generator. Site speed is very important things for any Shopify online store, because if your site does not load fast, then you definitely lose your customer, because people not wait to see what's you added on your website if it does not load fast. Also they can fix a lot of things automatically. You see, just get an idea on the screen, or to boost your site speed, everything in here. Write high ranking blog post with AI optimized on page SEO, and get keyword with content idea faster. So you are going to get a lot of things, and ultimately what you actually need. I will discuss everything, show you everything in the upcoming class and upcoming tutorials. So stay connected and see how we progress. Also don't stop to making the shorts video using AI, or don't stop to share your content on the social media to bring traffic like me. And also if you have budget, keep continue ad campaigns or run ad regular basis if you already getting the sales from the ad campaigns. So you have to do all way working to rank it, get traffic, bring customers, or increase the sales. So I hope you understand everything what I mentioned here. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify store design, optimization, or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.